Me and my homegirl Jennifer, we at the coffee shop. We at the coffee shop. Everything was just going good with a great day. Everybody was in a good mood until Miss Negativity walked her ass up in here. Now this coffee shop is in a affluent area. I think she was lost, but she came through with the ruckus, talking about, "Hello, can y'all help me?" The barista was like, "Okay, I'll be right with you. What do you want? What do you want? What can I get for you?" And the woman said, like I said, let me get a latte, add pumpkin flavor, 2 chocolate chip cookies." And her little boy, she had 2 little boys with her, and the little boy said, "I don't want those cookies." And she said, "You're gonna eat the damn cookie. I paid for it, you gonna buy it." And the little boy said, "No." And she said, "Oh, you just like your damn dad. You never listen. Oh, you just like your damn dad. Every time I look at your little black ass." Manager almost slipped, rushing to the crime scene. Me and my homegirl just put our head down, asking each other